Lawler MacDonald for the belt.
I always prepare for the hardest fight of my life. My last fight with Robbie Lawler was the hardest fight in my life, and it did nothing but motivate me. This is going to be one of my brightest moments.
What means most to me is just competing against the best in the world. I told myself when I was young, I want to be the best fighter in the world. Rory MacDonald has been the #1. He's been at the top of the game for a very long time. The win over Rory will tell not just the UFC, but the fans that I deserve that title shot.
Wonder Boy is special. He's like no one else inside the octagon. His ability to move in and out and land shots with incredible accuracy.
Another spinning attack.
That striking skill, combined with his newfound skill in grappling, created a monster.
Thompson in a clinch. This is Stephen Wonderboy Thompson by first round.
I am ready for the title shot. Now, I gotta show them, I gotta make a statement.
There's nothing more honest than testing yourself against another man that has a will to destroy you. This fight against Steven is the most pivotal fight in my career so far. A big win over him makes people remember that I'm the real prospect in this division.
I'm looking to face off against the best Rory MacDonald. It's literally gonna be a non-stop, action-packed, almost like a movie, man. He's gonna be punching me in the face, I'm gonna be punching him in the face, and there's gonna be no giving up. It's gonna be a war.
I'm born to do this. I have a fire inside me. I fight to dominate and destroy my opponent. I'm very happy to be fighting on home soil. The Canadian fans are the best. They've really come behind me and given me a lot of support. I really believe that I will be UFC champion.